Would you like to own a new built home in Lafayette, Colorado? Well, there's not a lot of choices, but today we're showing you one of those choices. We are in Parkdale looking at homes by Century Communities. This is the Shandoah model. Let's take a look. Welcome inside. So we're gonna take a right away as we come in here. And we're gonna find a tucked away little office over here, window looking out towards the front of the home. And then here at the end of the hallway is where you find your powder bathroom. Take note, you get a nice little view here of the railing and stairs leading upstairs. And as we head down the hallway, I want to point a nice little nook here for something decorative. This leads down to the unfinished basement. Century Communities does not finish basements. And this is where you're gonna find your coat closet. And it's a really nice big coat closet. All right, a little down the hall and right over here is where you find your mudroom space, entrance in from your garage. And it opens up into your main living space. Over this way, we find the kitchen. Nice long island here, 4 chairs, comfortably pulled up. Good amount of countertop space and cabinets in this kitchen, sink and dishwasher in the island. As you can see, the kitchen keeps on going, and at the end you find like the best pantry. A pretty good one anyway. All right, coming over this way, this dining room space allows for a really big table. I'd say this is above average table. You can see it's a nice long dining space. Then over here is where you're gonna find your door leading out onto your deck or patio. And last but not least of the main floor tour, we find the great room. And this is a really nice, long, great room, as you can see. So nice and spacious. Okay, that does it for the main floor. We're gonna head back towards the front door where we find the stairs and go check out the second floor. Okay, so if we take a right when we come to the top of the stairs, we are gonna find the secondary bedrooms, bathrooms. So first secondary bedroom here, window looking out towards the side of the home, and this bedroom's special because it does have its own bathroom. All right, continuing down the hallway, we find a secondary bathroom, tub and toilet in its own space. Over this way, we find the next secondary bedroom. And almost directly across from there, final secondary bedroom. All right, heading back out towards the stairs here, we find a loft space. Nice little loft space. They set it up as a TV game room. Think about how you use it best for your family. And then right off the loft, the laundry room. And this is the entrance to your primary suite. We're gonna hang a right here, down a little hallway space. It opens up into the bedroom area. Walk-in closet. Oof, I got shocked. Here's where we walked in, and here's the bathroom over here. Okay, private toilet closet. Nice size shower. Freestanding tub. Got the window here letting in lots of light, and a great big long double sink vanity. Last thing I find here is the linen closet. Okay, my name is Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor. We are in Lafayette, Colorado, looking at homes by Century Communities. If you'd be interested in these homes, definitely give me a call. I have lots of new build experience. Love to walk by your site. Also save you a little bit of money with my closing cost credit. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my home tours. And thanks for joining me. Have a super day.